Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Ginger is used extensively in Indian cooking, both for its flavor and health benefits. I find that prepping ginger takes time, so I have been chopping and freezing ginger for a long time. So I always have ginger on hand when I need it. It saves time when I'm ready to cook. I buy large chunks of fresh, tender ginger and process it. There are so many ways to peel ginger, but I find a peeler works very well and is fast and easy. First, I break the ginger into pieces at the joints. Ginger has all these lumps and bumps. It's just part of it. I use a paring knife to remove any tough pieces. The fresher the ginger, the easier it is to process. I could hand chop it, but it takes time. For freezing purpose, I use a small chopper or a food processor, as it can finely mince a lot of ginger in minutes. Ginger has numerous health benefits. Indians have a love affair with ginger. They put it in everything from tea to salads. Ginger is a potent antioxidant and is believed to help in digestion, prevent common cold, reduce nausea, and even prevent cancer, and so on. Once chopped, I pour ginger onto a parchment or wax paper lined plate. I then make approximately 1 teaspoon ginger mounds so it's easier to use. I freeze it overnight. The next day, I transfer it into a freezer bag, and that's it. It's simple. It saves time, and I always have ginger on hand. Happy, healthy cooking.